Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we are making dumplings, but before we go on, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and then let's get started. So we used 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you set that aside. Then you want to take your carrots. You can use as many carrots as you want depending on how much carroty you want. So we just use 2. What you want to do with this is just chop them up and then blend them. To these carrots we added half a cup of water. You can use warm water or cold water. We decided warm just to make the carrots softer. So you just want to blend that up, and then you'll use the puree. Since it's half a cup of the carrot puree, you'll use that to make the dough. So what you're doing next is just adding the puree to the flour that we measured earlier on. What you want to do next is just knead this into a very soft dough. This will take a bit of time, but be patient. All will be well after. So just knead this until the dough is completely soft and completely kneaded and well combined. So dumplings are famous in the Chinese culture, and they're basically just stuffed meat in dough, which you can maybe boil or fry according to your preference. So our dough is ready. As you can see, it's soft and well combined. No lumps, just a smooth dough. So you just want to cover this up and then prepare your meat. As we say, dumplings are made of meat and dough. So by preparing our meat, we used some pork meat, but you can use whichever meat that you prefer. All that it has to be is that it has to be minced. So to the minced meat that you'll use, you add some garlic, ginger, some paprika, some curry powder, some cumin powder, some mixed herbs, whichever mixed herbs that you prefer, or all of them combined. Then finally you add your black pepper and garam masala, just a bit of each. And then if you want a hot kick in it, you can add some chilies, as much as you prefer again. And then the last thing you want to add to this is your onions, freshly chopped onions. You can use as much as you can or as you prefer. Then also do not forget salt, because our food has to be tasty, right? So to this, you just want to mix this up. Make sure it's well combined so that the meat can absorb all the spicy flavors. Then after that, you just want to cook this. I prefer to cook it. You can just directly stuff it with the meat, or cook the meat then stuff it, because I prefer my meat cooked. So I just cooked it a bit for about 10 minutes until it's well done or completely done. Again, that's to your preference. And then what you want to do next is just let this cool down so that our dumplings won't cook before it's already time. Then what you want to do is now take your dough and divide it into very small pieces so that you can be able to roll out the dumpling shapes. So we got about 16 small doughs, which we rolled them out into circles, like how you roll chapos, but just a very, very small chapo. And then what you want to do to that is just stuff the meat, and then you just secure the dough by doing as I do on this video. So keep on watching. So you'll do the same until all the balls are done and your dumplings are ready. And then what you want to do after this is slightly boil your dumplings in boiling water for about 5 minutes. So after boiling them, you just want again to slightly brown them by shallow frying with just a little bit of oil, just to get the black char on it, or the bun, just to give it color, but also to make it more flavorful. So this step is completely optional, but I'd prefer it like this. And you just want to cook it both sides. That's for about 2 minutes, and your dumplings will be ready. So guys, that's it. The next time you want to impress your guests, the next time you want to host, make your guests such kind of dishes, and trust me, they'll be back for your food. And thank you so much for watching. This was lovely. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. Share this recipe with your family and friends for those who need. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll be back with more videos, so subscribe and click on the bell to get notified of any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and be blessed. Bye.